Ji, Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I believe I'm clearly audible to all of you. Can I have a yes? Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Jazakallah khair. Thank you very much for taking the time out, Ji, for this interesting session today, hosted by Pakistan Stock Exchange. There have been many webinars done in the recent past after this great initiative of State Bank of Pakistan, and that is the launch of Roshan Digital Account for the non-resident Pakistanis to invest in Pakistan, and specifically in the Pakistan Stock Exchange on the companies listed in Pakistan Stock Exchange. My name is Jawad Hashmi, and I look after the trading function of Pakistan Stock Exchange. Been with the exchange for a few years, and this started my career. Just a quick introduction that I started my career over two decades back from the broking industry, worked in various jurisdictions, and have also, this topic is very close to my heart because I've also been an expat for over a decade. So I understand the kind of thought going on while being an expat, and I'm not sure how many of you are from the GCC, where we generally have these discussions every weekend that other than how the rents are increasing, what new taxes are coming in. Iske saath saath we always talk about investing in Pakistan. इसमें generally we talk about कि यार real estate में क्या चल रहा है, new bonds कौन से launch हो रहे हैं, कैसे invest करें. It is very difficult to open an account. Next visit पे जाऊंगा तो account open करूंगा, फिर उससे अगले visit पे जाता हूँ तो उसको activate कराने जाता हूँ. It gets dormant because of no transaction or something. So this is a great opportunity where the expats. Yeah. Thank you very much, Abdul Hafiz. It's a great initiative where you can, SBP case initiative say, process has become very simple, not only to come on board, but also to invest and manage your investment on an ongoing basis. And that has gained a lot of popularity. आज का webinar, how is it different from the previous ones? We actually jointly did with CDC and a few of the banks. But today, how is it different? Today, we'll cover two areas. One is that, we'll talk through the opportunities lie in PSX for you to invest. And that is based on, how rewarding PSX has been over the years. Or दूसरा उसके साथ, of course, that is the why part, or the second is how part, and that is where we have all the answers, and through the Roshan Digital Account. So इसमें हम, as you must have seen in the points of discussion mentioned in the flyer, we will talk about the role of PSX in the overall economy. And then, I'll talk to you about the overall ecosystem of the capital market. And then we will also show you the returns produced by PSX. I mean, for those who invested in the stocks here, listed here. I'm trying to read the chat also alongside, so I'm sorry if you find me a little distracted at time. इसमें हम एजेंडा कवर करेंगे. इसमें हम और भी कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटी, जैसे मैंने कहा, उसको भी हम देखेंगे. How what products does PSX offer, especially to the retail space. और इसके बाद हम आपको प्रोसेस बताएंगे जिसमें how simple it is to now invest in Pakistan Stock Exchange. So let the show begin, and I'll just try and share my screen with you because I have a nice small presentation to run for you. Please keep your questions coming in through the chat box we have. हम कोशिश करेंगे to answer your questions, as many as we possibly can during the session. But please do write to us at info@psx.com.pk. Mention RDA in the subject line, and we'll try to get you the answer within the same day, inshallah. So let me just try and share the screen, please. Acha ji. I hope you can see the first slide. That is the title page. So being a Pakistani and living abroad, we always want to have some investment or assets in our country back home. अब इसके बहुत सारी वजूहात हो सकती हैं. हमें एक पोर्टफोलियो डाइवर्सिफिकेशन चाहिए. हर दफा आप you cannot put all your money in precious metal. आपने precious metal खरीद लिया है या आप हर सारा कुछ सारा उसमें प्रॉपर्टी में आप इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. You always feel like diversifying. बस ये है कि आपको always, especially in the GCC, we always have our we always maintain our connection with the country back home, because हमें पता होता है कि यार, in any case, if I'm not going for an immigration, I'm going to go back home. So आपको कोई backup भी चाहिए होता है. आपको जब वापस आने के लिए you need some kind of investment base जो साथ के साथ बढ़ती चली जाए, और by the time you come back home, I mean it earns you, it has already earned you the returns, reasonable returns. ठीक है जी. And last but not the least, पाकिस्तान से बाहर रह के आपका वो एक हमेशा ये thought होता है कि I want to do something, I want to contribute to the economy of my country. So all these thoughts. So अभी तक क्या हो रहा था कि whenever we want to invest, so what do? I send money to my father's account, my brother's account, or okay, get them into whatever decision I'm going to take about the investment. Sometimes I'm not very comfortable sharing my investment decisions with others. अब ये है कि with Roshan Digital Account, it's possible for all our overseas Pakistanis to invest in the assets back home and manage their investment at their own convenience. So उसमें अब कोई किसी के ऊपर आपकी dependence नहीं है. The control is with you, the decision is with you, all in your control. So sorry. So it is definitely an attractive option, and it gives you an opportunity to be a stakeholder in the economy back home, as I just said. And this initiative of SBP Roshan Digital Account made it so easy for us. So we'll quickly move on to. I'll just tell you now quickly how the Pakistan capital market ecosystem works. So Pakistan Stock Exchange, being the frontline regulator, it provides the marketplace for the investors. So there are two ways: either you directly come from you open an account with the broker and invest in the market, or you invest in the mutual funds, by getting there with the AMCs. PSX के साथ दो और entities का समझना बहुत important है, because later in this presentation we will see some specific role for these organizations in the overall process for RDA and the management of this process. Central Depository Company is the sole repository of the shares traded at Pakistan Stock Exchange, or it's like a bank for the securities, for the shares. On national clearing, NCCPL is the national clearing company, which is the clearing house, which is the central counterparty who settles all transactions executed on Pakistan Stock Exchange. So you have two options: either to open an investor account with the CDC directly, or you open a sub account through the broker. in the CDC. So इसमें basically आपके जो shares हैं, they remain part there for you to keep them, or whenever you want to sell, you can place an order and dispose them off. Pakistan Stock Exchange के थोड़े से stats आपके साथ share कर लेता हूँ. We have 531 companies listed on PSX. Interestingly, 217 companies इसमें से Sharia compliant हैं. इसकी basis Sharia compliant होने की is the KMI index that is maintained by Al Mizan. So these are the constituents of that index. Market capitalization जो है वो 7 खरब यानी 7 trillion से ज़्यादा है. We have an investor base in Pakistan who invest in PSX or the stocks is over 236,000. हमारे पास जो brokerage firms हैं, they are 200 at the moment. PSX 11 indices और 4 ETFs offer करती है. So you can see a quick composition. जहाँ पे आप देखते हैं कि there is a fair contribution and quite well diversified share by all the sectors of the industry, and this represents that how many what is the representation or the composition of those industries, those sectors into the overall listed capital on the stock exchange. So it's a fair diversification. Of course, PSX plays a vital role in the economy. Simply, it provides the capital to those businesses to finance their growth and the new initiatives, and in turn, increase the country's exports. And it also attracts, significant capital that contributes to the growth. At the same time, it provides employment and benefits to millions of Pakistanis, their families, and of course, generate a significant tax income for the government of Pakistan. मतलब कि जो industries जो हैं वो अपना सरमाया यहाँ से अपना form करना चाहती हैं, capital formation चाहती हैं, they come on to PSX, they raise the money, and then with that they finance their projects, and in turn all these benefits to the overall society come back. PSX ने over the past 10 years, अगर आप returns की बात करें, so it has generated a decent return of nearly 15%. Agar if you have invested your savings 10 years back, it's giving you a 15% annual average return. Of course, कुछ साल नीचे भी होते हैं, कुछ साल ज़्यादा ऊपर होते हैं, but ये है कि on an average, it has produced a reasonable return of 15%. पिछले सिर्फ 5 सालों में जो मैं कैपिटल रेजिंग की बात कर रहा था, तो 765 अरब रुपए, 765 or nearly 66 billion rupees have been subscribed from the companies coming on to PSX. इसमें equity listings भी हैं, debt भी हैं, right issue भी companies करती हैं, उससे 200 अरब रुपए वो भी raise हुए हैं over the past 5 years. So we are talking about big numbers, big contribution to the overall economy. कुछ recent developments आपसे share करूंगा. Of course, the topmost is and the most recent one is a Roshan Digital account. उसके अलावा PSX has done a historical debt issue with the book building that had where it raised 200 billion for Pakistan Energy Sukuk. And trust me, I mean, the rates it had gotten subscribed on were quite competitive. Even it had earned a great saving for the government. हमने 4 ETFs launch किए over the recent 6 months time. कुछ अरसे से IPOs, new issues जो हैं, they were, I mean, that area pipeline was quite slow, but alhamdulillah, we have had three remarkable issues over the past nearly 3 months time. PSX के volumes में mashallah, despite this COVID and all, अच्छा PSX ने alhamdulillah during the COVID तमाम प्रोटोकॉल्स जो हैं उनको फॉलो करते हुए, तमाम SOPs का ख्याल रखते हुए मार्केट को कंटिन्यू रखा एज अ नॉर्मल मार्केट, एंड अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह उसका रिजल्ट ये भी हम देख सकते हैं कि द वॉल्यूम्स हैव इंक्रीज्ड सिग्निफिकेंटली. आपने देखा होगा बारिशें भी हुई यहाँ पे, टेररिस्ट अटैक्स, बट अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह our systems are so resilient and so reliable, and the teams have put in a lot of effort to keep the exchange running. And Pakistan emerges as the Asia's best performing market. That is the Bloomberg news. I'm very happy to say that, and proud to be associated with this institution. Abhi, we were talking about the ETFs. So ETFs are relatively new phenomenon to our capital market, although they are so popular all across the world, because it provides the investor a diversified portfolio. ETF is a basket of various shares, जिसमें आप बजाय इसके कि आप एक शेयर में इन्वेस्ट करें, अपना पूरा एक्सपोजर उसमें लें, you can invest in a diversified portfolio, which actually represents a basket of shares within it. और इसको बिल्कुल आम शेयर्स की तरह खरीदा और बेचा जा सकता है. These are issued by हमारे पास इस वक्त 4 एसेट मैनेजमेंट कंपनीज हैं जिन्होंने ये इशू किए हैं, माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छे चल रहे हैं. NIT, UBL, NBP, and last but not the least is Al Mizan, who had launched the first Sharia compliant ETF. इसके constituents आप देख सकते हैं 14, 9, 12, and 15. इसकी further composition is available on our website. आप मज़ीद इसको देख सकते हैं. So this is a great opportunity for retail investors to make an entry to the market. अभी हम बात कर रहे थे रिटर्न्स की, तो हमारे जो पाकिस्तान वर्सेस इमर्जिंग मार्केट्स अगर आप देखें तो उसमें भी माशाल्लाह से KSE 100 इंडेक्स जो है, which is the most popular index of Pakistan Stock Exchange, that had generated a return of 7.25%, which is has a great जिसको कहते हैं positive comparison with the overall MSCI index returns. इसी तरह से KMI का भी एक comparison है, so we are way better than the comparative index, alhamdulillah, and that is for the past 10 years. So it's not that a spike ek dafa aayi aur phir niche chali gayi, but it's on a consistent basis. You can see staying above the benchmark, I would say. अच्छा, interestingly, Pakistan stock exchange के जो dividend yields हैं, किसी भी investment के returns का तायुन करने के लिए आपको देखना है कि उसके dividend yield कैसी है. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि माशाल्लाह region में Pakistan is one of the best in terms of producing the dividends. If you invest in the stocks here, or at the same time, price to earning ratio is amongst the lowest. That means we are probably the cheapest exchange in the region to invest in. So dividend yield mein amongst the top ones, or price to earning ratio mein again amongst the top ones in terms of the most attractive. I mean, I don't like using the word bottom. Now, here it comes that, how to open an account, this Roshan Digital account in a seamless digital manner, with the simplest form of documentation and a great experience of account opening. इसको अब हम थोड़ा सा step by step देखते हैं जी. So this is, I'm just taking an example of a step by step account opening process is specific to the investing in stocks. ठीक है जी. So our non-resident Pakistanis can access any of the designated banks. Abhi, there are about 8 banks who are offering this or who are approved by SPP to offer RDA, and you need to enter the required information and submitting soft copies to the to the bank, and bank to do the KYC, perform the KYC, and then pass on that information to the CDC or whatever broker you select, and within like 48 hours, the account just opens, and it does open. I mean, mashallah say, I wanted to share some stats with you. That shows that the process, yes, there were some issues in the beginning, but now mashallah, when I see over 1,000 accounts open so far, with the money flowing in nearly 200 million rupees, investing in the stock, that's the number speaks itself, right? So the process is really simple, and it is evolving over the period. You choose invest in stock market. The bank asks you to provide a consent. You do that. You say I agree, and then the list of brokerage houses gets available on your bank's portal. You select the broker, and abhi tak over 25 brokers of PSX are perfectly connected and opening the accounts. I can see many of them. I mean, about 26 broker stats are in front of me, and they are opening RDAs on a daily basis. Then you search the brokerage house. When you selected that, then simply you need to deposit the funds in your RDA. Now you have 2 options. One, you can go to the direct bank model. So what is direct bank model? Direct bank model is where the bank itself provides the settlement and custodial services. कुछ ऐसे banks हैं जो आपको offer करते हैं custody and settlement service for your transactions you execute in the stock exchange. The other interesting variant is the CDC's service. We call it direct settlement service. Direct settlement service में ये होता है, and you will see it on the next screen, that everything is taken care of by the CDC, the Central Depository Company of Pakistan. As I introduced in the beginning, the sole repository of Pakistan. अब इस स्लाइड में आपका अकाउंट जो है वो सेटअप हो गया. यू सिलेक्टेड द ऑप्शन कि आपको डायरेक्ट बैंक मॉडल जाना है या आपको CDC का फराहम करदा DSS मॉडल ऑप्ट करना है. Now, after these steps, CDC will facilitate the following jobs, and that is, opening your account with the broker, your creation of your investor number, which is created by National Clearing Company of Pakistan, and then opening of your account, custody account in the CDC. So CDC will then take care of your onboarding formalities. After deposit of funds in the cash, you'll be able to invest in the stock market through the trading app of that broker. So hota kya hai ki you will select the broker, you have given the consent to share your KYC with the respective broker, you gave the consent to the CDC, CDC transmits that information or shares that information with the target broker. Then you get connected with the broker through the application. They provide the trading application. आजकल बहुत sophisticated applications are being offered by our brokerage firms with a which provides all the stocks buying and selling with merely a click of a button. We'll talk about the buy and sell process also. आज हम देखिए अभी इससे पहले जो वेबिनार्स हो रहे थे उसके अंदर हमने बहुत ज्यादा आरडीए उसके फीचर्स पे बात की. अब माशाल्लाह से 1000 अकाउंट खुलने के बाद now we thought of talking specifically about these processes and help you to understand कि यार इसमें कितने steps involve हैं और so that आप एक comfort attain करें and then you simply go to your bank and quickly open your account and start investing. DSS जैसे मैंने बताया right hand side के ऊपर DSS is the direct settlement service provided by CDC and the other option is the custodial services through the bank. So bank will specify the services, the option when you select one. So option 1 को देख लेते हैं, which is the direct bank model. जैसे मैंने थोड़ा सा पहले इससे कहा, जब आपने ये information, when you selected the option of direct bank model, then the bank will transmit your data to the CDC electronically, no change. Under this option, the bank will be responsible for all the related matters, आपको आपकी clearing, आपकी settlement, आपकी custody management, all that will be taken care of, or the responsibility of the bank. And as soon as the CDC receives the data from the bank, CDC will simply intimate the individual regarding its receipt and will inform about this, give a confirmation and passes it on to the selected broker and the national clearing company. Broker के पास trading account खोलता है, national clearing UIN खोलता है और CDC sub account खोलता है. So that's why this information has to go to all these destinations, I would say. So bank उसके बाद bank will be responsible for all the matters going forward. अच्छा, इसका दूसरा जो वेरिएंट जैसे मैंने पहले कहा था कि if you select the DSS model which is provided by CDC, it is under this option CDC will be responsible for all the matters related to clearing, settlement, custody, and even transfer of funds, reconciliation, and everything. Now as soon as आप CDC को आप DSS select करते हैं, CDC उसी तरह से will intimate you that it had received the data, it will transmit to again broker, national clearing, because I see इस सिलसिले में तीसरा नहीं होगा CDC because CDC is the recipient of the data, so they will simply CDC account खुलेगा for the custody, trading account खुलेगा for the trading जो कि UIN होता है, and that is trading account खोलेगा with broker आपकी trading के लिए और UIN issue करेगा national clearing company. CDC will also be responsible for dealing directly with the broker to and making sure that whatever trade you had executed, it is settled and the money reaches your account and you get a reconciliation of all the steps in the process. I can see the chat blinking, so let me have a look. Okay. So see, there's nothing better or worse. My friend asked me which option is better and why does it matter. देखिए, this is your choice. If you are comfortable with your bank providing all these services and capable of managing it, so I would say just go with it. But उसमें ये होगा कि then you need to deal with the bank for onward dealing with the broker and the rest of the entities involved in the process. Whereas DSS में ये होगा कि CDC आपको एक तरह से पूरी वो एक मैनेजिंग सर्विस आपको प्रोवाइड कर रही होती है, जिसमें वो आपके फंड्स का भी हिसाब रख रही होती है और आपके शेयर्स का भी हिसाब रख रही होती है. बट बोथ द ऑप्शंस आर इक्वली गुड, whichever you feel like opting for. It's entirely your choice. I see. This presentation will be made available on our website after the show, and you can always refer to it. I just saw a comment that if we can share these slides after the presentation. Yes, we will. Now we have seen two options के how to come on board. आसान से अंदाज में हमने स्टेप बाय स्टेप देखा और अब इस वक्त हम इस स्टेज पे पहुंचे कि now the account is set up and you have selected the broker, you have opened the account, and now here is the time to invest. So how do you begin? I'll take an example of a buy transaction and a sell transaction. So simply to buy something, you need the money, and to sell something, you need that instrument in your CDC account. So buy transaction ke liye, you simply deposit in your Roshan Digital account. So individual account holder will then transfer the amount online to CDC from his RDA, Roshan Digital account, through an instruction given to the bank, and then inform the CDC regarding the intention of purchase through CDC. CDC का एक वेब एक्सेस पोर्टल है, वहां पे आप ये प्लेस कर सकते हैं. The same will immediately, start reflecting on your portal app of the brokerage house. So आपका इस वक्त connection है with the CDC and the broker. So broker ने आपको app provide किया है for you to place the transaction, and to CDC is providing a confirmation that you have sufficient funds for this transaction, and then this confirmation is given to the broker from the CDC that the funds are sufficient for you to proceed with this transaction. So now the overseas Pakistani now can purchase the security through the brokerage house provided app. After the purchase transaction is executed, होता क्या है? CDC will then receive a notification from NCCPL to accept the trade. CDC after pre-marking will accept the trade. So now the trade is done. First you execute it on the broker's portal, and it will automatically trigger confirmation for the NCCPL and then to the CDC to land that transaction into their records, which is effectively your record with them. So on the settlement day, हमारे यहाँ settlement cycle is T+2. That means every transaction you do on Monday, you will get the stocks transferred in your account on the second day, which is Wednesday in this case. So on the T+2, CDC will transmit the cash to NCCPL and receive the purchase, the securities you purchased, and a notification will be sent to you also for this process. So इसमें आपने एक चीज देखी, you didn't place your funds with directly anywhere. It is under the CDC, custody or control, and these funds will only flow into the broker once the purchase transaction is confirmed and D+2 pay settlement is confirmed. So CDC will also provide the details of the settlement to the respective bank of the individual where RDA was originally opened, so that the bank can have complete reconciliation available regarding the usage of funds. क्योंकि बैंक also needs to see that कितने पैसे आपके deposit हुए, कितने उसमें से आपने invest किए, and that trail will also be required for you later on. So इसमें जो आपको visible processes हैं वो simple यही है जी कि आपने instruction डाली है and then you intimated the CDC and you got the trade executed. The rest of the lighter boxes, these are back-end processes, and they'll be done automatically in an automated way. Sell transaction में इसी तरह से, when you initiate a sell transaction by earmarking the instructions on CDC portal. So होता क्या है कि CDC portal पे आप earmark करते हैं वो अपने stocks, so that they become available to sell. And अभी recently एक change CDC ने और ये किया है कि all those stocks in your account are pre-earmarked. So you can actually avoid this step also. You simply go and sell your security through the brokerage house. Intimation will be passed on to the CDC on the settlement day, which is T+2. CDC will receive the cash from NCCPL and hand over the shares to NCCPL for onward settlement with the market. इसमें भी उसी तरह से same process will be followed for all trades, and the information will be passed on for every step in the way. इसके अलावा आपको पता है कॉर्पोरेट एक्शंस भी होते हैं, कंपनीज जो है वो पे आउट अनाउंस करती हैं, डिविडेंड्स अनाउंस करती हैं. सो आपका जो DSS है, CDC will take care of that also. So all corporate actions will be credited in your investor accounts. IAS is your account in CDC where your stocks are parked. So this is like you have a bank account which is RDA, and you have an IAS account which is your custody account where your shares are parked. Cash dividend अगर कोई company देती है तो that will be credited in the checking account of CDC, and CDC will subsequently transfer the cash to the respective RDA account of the overseas. And needless to mention that all reconciliation of these corporate actions will be provided to you. So I mean that's literally all from my side. इसमें हमने कुछ resources end पे हमने किए. Please do visit these links. Very useful information is placed out there. CDC अपना पाकिस्तान स्टॉक एक्सचेंज का लिंक है, CDC का है, स्टेट बैंक का है. आप हमें किसी भी वक्त लिखिए, कोई भी आपकी queries हैं. As I mentioned in the beginning, mention RDA in your subject line for it to be answered. वैसे तो हम जो भी queries आती हैं, normally we respond within 48 hours depending on the nature of the query. But इसमें हम specially offer कर रहे हैं कि within 24 hours if we have the answer, or we'll get you the answer from CDC. So just having a recap of what we shared today, we just try and know more about the overall ecosystem of capital markets. How does it function? What are the key players? Because मेरा assumption ये है कि once you have the RDA और आपने account खोल लिया and you started investing, I think it is useful to know कि ये function होता कैसे है. ठीक है? And this is useful for you for on an ongoing basis. हमने देखा कि PSX का role क्या है in the economy, और उस role को देखते हुए it is fair to expect कि हमारे overseas Pakistanis, they have a great opportunity to contribute. So contribute करने के लिए हमने आगे ये भी देखा कि it is a great proposition. It's a win-win situation for those who had invested, and that is shown from the returns it had produced over time. So you can contribute to your economy. You can build your backup back home, and at the same time, remarkable returns. Even if you invest in Naya Pakistan certificate or you come onto the stocks, decent returns. ये हमने देखा, हमने इसको further analyze किया with the 10 years performance of varied indices, and what PSX indices have produced, and then हमने देखा कि the step by step approach for opening the RDA. So I think मेरे हिसाब से तो it was quite a simpler way, but I would be very happy to answer any queries regarding the process, regarding the product, anything. We would love to hear from you. Thank you very much. अच्छा जी, जी इफ्तिखार साहब भी मैंने कोशिश की कि हम दोनों बाइलिंगुअल बिकॉज मिक्स करके, बट अगर आपका कोई सवाल हो तो प्लीज लिखिए, मैं उसका जवाब देने की कोशिश करूंगा। जिब्रान, यस, 2 ऑप्शंस हैं, जैसे मैंने पहले भी एक्सप्लेन किया। अगर आपके पास यू हैव एन एग्जिस्टिंग अकाउंट विद द ब्रोकर, yes, you can open another one through the RDA। और इसमें ये भी मुमकिन है कि आपने एक ब्रोकर सिलेक्ट किया और बाद आपको लगा कि यार मुझे दूसरे ब्रोकर से जो है अच्छी टर्म्स मिल रही हैं, लेकिन मैंने तो इसके साथ अकाउंट खोल लिया है, अब व्हाट इज द वे आउट। सो इट इज बहुत आसान है। आप सीडीसी के, अगर आपने डीएसएस सेलेक्ट किया हुआ है, आप सीडीसी के जो ये पोर्टल की एक्सेस आपको दी जाती है, उसके थ्रू आप एक ब्रोकर से डिटैच करके दूसरे ब्रोकर के साथ अटैच होने की रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं। और इसको जो है सीडीसी आपका वो मैनेज करेगी। आपकी जो इंफॉर्मेशन है, केवाईसी और बाकी तमाम चीजें आपको दोबारा से वो करना नहीं पड़ेंगी, आप दूसरे ब्रोकर के पास स्विच हो जाएंगे। तो यस, वो भी एक ऑप्शन है हमारे पास। स्लाइड्स मैंने जैसे गुजारिश की इस प्रेजेंटेशन के बाद ये अवेलेबल होगी इसके ऊपर, हमारी वेबसाइट के ऊपर। अच्छा जी, मैं कोशिश करता हूँ। इफ्तिखार साहब, आपने यू रेज्ड हैंड, अच्छा जी, इफ्तिखार साहब, आपका अकाउंट पहले से है एक बैंक में और आप ये कह रहे हैं कि ये उसमें कैसे कन्वर्ट होगा। अच्छा इफ्तिखार भाई, इसमें ये बड़ा खास अकाउंट है हमारे ओवरसीज पाकिस्तानीज के लिए, और इसका प्रोसेस बिल्कुल अलग है दूसरे अकाउंट के खोलने के प्रोसेस से। तो आप सिंपली आपको नया ही रोशन डिजिटल अकाउंट खोलना पड़ेगा, उसकी, ताकि उसका एक ट्रेल भी रहे फंड्स की, और वो शुरू से आखिर तक ये बिल्कुल डिजिटल ऑनलाइन वे में होगा। तो ये आपको अलग ही खोलना पड़ेगा भाईजान। आई होप मैंने आपका जवाब दे दिया आपके क्वेश्चन का। Oh yes, one question from Mr. Malik. Yes, you must have seen the recent development. I mean, we have done a webinar just a week back, जहाँ पे जैसे ये रोशन डिजिटल का हमने अभी इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है, इसी तरह से अब हमारी लोकल इंडस्ट्री में भी माशाल्लाह से आप ऑनलाइन अकाउंट खोल सकते हैं, और उस सारे जो रिगरस प्रोसीजर जिसको आपने नाम दिया, इसको हम बिल्कुल अवॉइड कर सकते हैं जी। अब आप इवन लोकली पाकिस्तान के अंदर रहते हुए भी आप डिजिटली अकाउंट ओपन कर सकते हैं। ब्रोकर के वेबसाइट पे आप जाएंगे, आप अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन वहां पे डालेंगे, एंड देन स्टेप बाय स्टेप यू विल आप उसको ऑन बोर्ड हो जाएंगे। सो दैट्स, ये एक बड़ी अच्छी जबरदस्त डेवलपमेंट है जी, बिल्कुल रिसेंटली हुई है, और बहुत सारे ब्रोकर्स इसको ऑफर करना स्टार्ट कर दिया। जी, आई थिंक इफ देयर इज नो फर्दर क्वेश्चन एट द मोमेंट, तो हम इस सेशन को एंड करते हैं। और लेकिन देखिए, ये सेशन तो यहाँ पे एंड हो गया। बाद में भी आपके जहन में कोई सवाल आता है, कोई क्वेरी आती है पीएसएक्स से मुताल्लिक, सीडीसी से मुताल्लिक, और या फिर किसी बैंक से रिलेटेड, हम कोशिश करेंगे कि आपकी क्वेरी आंसर की जाए, या मुतल्लिका जो इंस्टीट्यूशन है उससे इसका जवाब हम आपको लेके ज़रूर दें। बस मैं ये देख लूँ जी, अगर हम पाकिस्तान जाते हैं तो कैसे वर्क करेगा और फंक्शन। यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम जी इफ्तिखार साहब, जितने सवाल आप चाहें करें, हम बैठे किस लिए हैं यहाँ पे लेकिन हाँ, तो उसको जी उसी तरह से आप डिजिटल वे में देखिए, आप ऑनलाइन पोर्टल है आपका बैंक का, तो आप पाकिस्तान आते हैं और आप कहते हैं कि यार मैंने वो अकाउंट को ऑपरेट करना है, तो जैसे आज हम यहाँ से बैठ के जब हम छुट्टियों पे आते हैं दुबई से, सऊदी अरेबिया से, हम यहाँ बैठ के अपने बिल भी पे कर रहे होते हैं अपना अल अहली बैंक के अकाउंट से या एमिरेट्स एनबीडी के अकाउंट से, यू नो। तो उसी तरह से ये भी एक सर्विस है जो जिसका उससे ताल्लुक नहीं है कि आप कहाँ पे हैं, लेकिन अगर आपका इशारा इस तरफ है कि आप वीजा कैंसल एंड कमिंग बैक होम, तो उसके बाद क्या होगा, तो वो जाहिर है आपको अपना स्टेटस चेंज करना पड़ेगा, और उसके बाद आपके आपका वो स्टेटस जो है वो चेंज हो जाएगा, और फिर आपकी मर्जी है कि आप अपने पैसे कैसे रखना चाहते हैं उस बैंक में, क्योंकि सारे बैंक्स जो हैं पाकिस्तान में भी ऑपरेट करते हैं, तो वो दे विल गाइड यू थ्रू कि जनाब अब आपने कन्वर्ट कराना है अपने नॉर्मल ऑपरेटिंग अकाउंट के अंदर। रिपैट्रिएशन का एक क्वेश्चन है, तो यस जी डेफिनेटली, दिस इज यही खूबसूरती है इस अकाउंट की कि आप जब चाहें अपनी इन्वेस्टमेंट करें और जब चाहें उसको रिपैट्रिएट करें, बिकॉज हम सबको अच्छी तरह पता है कि कितना मुश्किल हो जाता है समटाइम्स अप्रूवल प्रोसेसेस एंड ऑल, नॉट ओनली फॉर ओपनिंग द अकाउंट और कमिंग ऑन बोर्ड, इवन जब आपको पैसे वापस भेजना होते हैं तो इट बिकम्स अ चैलेंज एट टाइम्स। तो इसके थ्रू आप funds ka flow is also seamless. हम बिल्कुल जी इसमें अभी रिसेंटली 3 आईपीओज हुए हैं, इनिशियल पब्लिक ऑफरिंग, प्राइमरी मार्केट में जो ऑफरिंग होती है, रोशन डिजिटल अकाउंट के थ्रू भी आप आईपीओज में पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं। यू कैन सब्सक्राइब टू द आईपीओज कमिंग अप, बिल्कुल there's no issue in that. स्लाइड्स मैंने बताया कि हम शेयर करेंगे इसके आपके साथ इंशाल्लाह। द प्रेजेंटेशन इटसेल्फ इट विल बी देयर, लिंक भी हम कर देंगे। ठीक है जी। अच्छा, टैक्सेशन के ऊपर खजर भाई अभी तक जो है इसको नॉन फाइलर कंसिडर किया जा रहा है, बट इसके ऊपर हमारा बिल्कुल प्रपोजल एक है कि इसको सॉर्ट आउट किया जाए। ये टैक्स वाले मैटर के ऊपर अभी थोड़ी सी बात हो रही है, देन इंशाल्लाह we'll get you the answer के उस पे क्या फाइनल डिसीजन होता है। चलें जी, I think we are nearly done. It was a great participation आपकी तरफ से। मैं on behalf of पाकिस्तान स्टॉक एक्सचेंज आपका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ, और उम्मीद रखता हूँ कि ये आज का शो यूजफुल था और आपको मजीद इंफॉर्मेशन मिली, और हम ये भी तवक्को करते हैं कि आपको मजीद कोई क्वेश्चन, कोई क्वेरीज, इसमें आप हेजिटेट नहीं करेंगे और हमें लिखेंगे, और हम कोशिश करेंगे कि आपको उसका जवाब दें. And I look forward to to have you guys getting onboarded with one of our brokerage firms and start investing. Mashallah, look at the index today. It is about 43,000 level, and nice movement and good volumes, mashallah. Thank you very much, everyone. Ji, Allah आप सबके लिए आसानियां पैदा फरमाए. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.